Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good morning. You know, today we are going to discuss something very important. So, on, we will be discussing about the various types of medicines available to be happy. So what is a mantra? What is the message? What is Namaskar sir, namaskar. Good morning sir. So what I'm trying to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, so this how to stay healthy and how to stay happy. The mantra of happiness and full of joy in the morning is to come out of your homes, to go out of your homes. If you are in home, that is a big problem. That is the big problem. If you want to go big, go out of home. If you want to go big, go out of home. You want to go big, go out of home. So ladies and gentlemen, you cannot talk to the walls. You cannot talk in the home only in loneliness. You need to talk to people. You need to talk to nature. You need to talk and fill your heart with joy. Man is basically a social animal. So being a social animal, he needs the friendship and of course the association of the society. He needs to talk to the people. So leave the home every day at least once or twice. Leave the home. If you are having nothing, you just see. You saw that ladies, they came out of their homes. The ladies are great. They are coming for joy. They are coming for happiness. They are coming for, to stay healthy and happy. These medicines, they're not prescribed. This by doctor. So medicine number one that we are going to talk about today is that how to stay happy. There are many medicines. Medicine number one, how to stay happy, we are going to discuss. And we have zeroed in on for staying happy. We have told that you have to come out of your cocoons. You have to come off your homes. You have to go out. They say the famous saying goes that, ladies and gentlemen, if you are having nothing to hit the wall. Nothing to hit the wall. That means basically you don't have to sit idle. You don't have to sit one place. You just see that man is doing great exercise. You don't have to sit at home, do nothing. That's very bad. That's goodness. That is not staying happy. That is staying gloomy. And that is the start of the happiness and unhealthiness of the body. So, ladies and gentlemen, I told you, go out of the home. Leave the home at least once or twice. Daily. If you are having sugar, diabetes, and for that matter, everybody, there's a research finding that for staying healthy and without sugar, walk for 15 minutes after every meal, big meal. This is a very big research that has been done by validated by international medical fraternity and the research done by PGI Chandigarh. So what I'm trying to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, don't simply eat and sleep. Don't eat and rest. Go out of your homes daily, daily, daily. That is the first mantra. Medicine number one, prescribed by God and the nature to stay healthy and happy. I just want to tell you about this Starbucks chief, Helmut Scholz. He, a very phenomenal, a very big person, and the coffee giant, number one in the world, beyond McDonald's, Cave Coffee Day, Domino Pizza, and others. This gentleman was working in one of the companies in the United States of America in the 70s. He was sent on a tour by his company, to just go to Italy and do some, business proposition. There he found that people are sipping and enjoying and staying happy and healthy with coffee, and pizza. When he came back, he wanted to introduce this thing in his company. There was some resistance initially, but then finally he found that he's not having a free hand, he's not having a free moment, he's not having a free mind. So he started the Starbucks. Why I'm talking about the Starbucks? Ladies and gentlemen, remember that Starbucks. He gave it a name that this will be your home away from your home. So he told that Starbucks is going to be your second home, where you can find a lot of people working and being with you, sipping coffee, enjoying, relaxing, and staying happy and healthy. We just see it had a phenomenal success, the Starbucks, and you just see that they are in every nook and corner of the world, and also, in India. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm trying to tell you, this Starbucks people, Starbucks man Helmut Scholz, he created a big field for himself. He created a big name for giving the slogan, home away from home. Sip coffee and stay healthy and happy. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I'm trying to tell you, this happiness, for happiness you need to go out of your home, so that you can have a lot of good help and good things. At the same time, that this happiness will also come if you just go at least once or twice. Must every year with the family for vacationing to four spots. That will give you semblance, that will give you health, and that will give you happiness. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I am trying to tell you, that the mantra of this happiness and health is very simple. This is medicine number one, that you need to, we all, in fact me also, we need to come out of our homes. We need to go out of our homes. We need to talk to people, good people, positive people. And then when we are out of home, we will be big. Go big, go out of your home. If you want to go big, go out of your home. That is what exactly this Helmut Scholz, this Starbucks man, did. He was one of the greatest persons, one of the greatest man this time, who loves people, who loves his employees, and at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, he has given a very new mantra, a big mantra for life, that if you want to stay healthy and happy, come to Starbucks. If you want to stay healthy and happy, come to Starbucks, because Starbucks is home away from home. It's a home away from home. Home away from home, Starbucks. So I am also telling you, go out, have a coffee. Coffee is good for liver. Coffee is very good for liver. Helmut Schultz also, he is having very special grains from Africa, and that only is used for this coffee, but by Starbucks. So I'm not going just to talk about and just push Starbucks, this coffee here, but I need to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, please, for God's sake, if you want to go big, go out of home. If you want to stay healthy and happy, please go out of your home every day, and 15 minutes every day, 15 minutes after every meal, you need to walk. If you're walking in the rooms, okay, but better will be if you are walking in the parks, if you are walking outside and going out of home, going big out of home, and every year vacationing once or twice. That is the number one medicine prescribed by God and nature for us to stay healthy and happy. Thank you very much. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.